What's up, YouTubers? This is Mr. Monkey Swag, and welcome to another episode of my Silver Stack Showcase, where I exhibit weird, bizarre, unique pieces in my Silver Stack collection. And what I got right here is, let me focus it. What I got right here is a vial of gold. Well, this is a vial of gold, but this is probably not enough gold to actually be worth anything. It's just really just a souvenir. Well, I think about like four years ago, I embarked on a vacation to California, and we stopped by this town called Solvang. Solvang is just a tourist attraction in California that I think resembles a Swedish town, and yeah, all their stores are, they look European. They have like a European style, like all their gift shops. Well, I went inside one of those gift shops and I got myself this vial of gold. So, from what the COA, the Certificate of Authenticity, told me, this gold is mined by a small mining company in Colorado. And you see this part right here? Originally there's like a pirate figurine on top of this vial, but it broke off. So yeah, this is a prospector's vial of gold. From what I've seen on YouTube about these souvenir gold vials, like most of them claim that they're 24 karat gold. And you see, the gold in this vial is pretty yellow. That's characteristic of 24 karat gold. But from the videos I've seen on YouTube of these souvenir vials, most of them, when you test these gold vials, even though they're claimed to be 24 karat gold, most of them come out as being 14 karat or 10 karat or probably even 9 carats when you test it with the acid. But who knows, maybe this really is 24 karat gold. Because, I mean, the color is pretty yellow. I mean, I certainly hope that's not, not just gold colored aluminum foil, that this really is real gold. So yeah, so when you see these vials are stored in some type of chemical, I really do not know what it is. Okay, and when I got this from the gift shop, at that time I paid about $10 for these. You can find these at gift shops anywhere, not just in Solvang. You can find these everywhere if you look. Okay. So now I told you about this, how I got this vial of gold. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of gold. So as you know, gold is one of the first metals to be used by man. Copper is probably the first. Then they used gold and silver later, and gold and silver is used for ornaments back then by the early people. Right now, gold is used in electronics and computers. I think NASA NASA plates their satellites with gold because of its reflective properties. And as you know, there have been many gold rushes in history. There's the Georgia gold rush. That's not very there's the Georgia gold rush. Well, you probably don't know about that there is such thing as a Georgia gold rush, but there is. So yeah, the first gold rush in the US would be the Georgia gold rush. Then we have the California gold rush. And then in Alaska, we had the Klondike Gold Rush. There's also the Australia gold rush, and I think there's another gold rush in, I don't know, South Africa. I don't know. So about the chemical properties of gold. Gold is very resistant to corrosion. I think the only chemicals that can corrode gold would be, the only chemicals uh that can corrode gold would be aqua regia and mercury. And because of this, aqua regia and mercury are often used in the by used in the mining process of gold. And I think aqua regia and mercury are also used um in the refining process of gold. So yeah, so this gold obviously has been, but so the chemical in this bottle is obviously not aqua regia. If it was, the gold in here would be dissolving. Okay, so about native gold. Well, most people, when they find gold, you rarely find it in the form of nuggets. It's most commonly found in the form of flakes. Yeah, in the form of flakes or dust. And what you see right here are gold flakes. Each flake is even thinner than aluminum foil. I mean, you know what? Actually, these flakes are, I've seen, I think I've seen a a picture on Natural Geographic on how, like, there are women who, uh who have pedicures with these gold flakes. Like, they just paint their nails with these gold flakes. So yeah. So yeah. I was getting off topic. So yeah, most gold is found in the form of flakes or dust. You'll rarely find nuggets, but even if you do find nuggets, they're probably even smaller than my fingernail. I mean, a nugget the size of a dime would already be considered to be a big nugget. Most of them are only the size of your fingernail. So, let me show this off. Nice. Not intended for children. 12 years and younger. This is not a toy. Yeah, I mean, if this vial really does have aqua regia or mercury, which I know it doesn't, of course, yeah, this is obviously not for kids. But if it did have aqua regia or mercury, this gold would be dissolving. I don't know. This is probably alcohol. I really do not know what they put in the vials. So about gold mining. Well, as you know, aqua regia is a very corrosive acid, and mercury, inhaling it could, kill you. So these gold miners, a lot of effort is placed into the mining of gold. Um, I mean, it's incredible, like, how these miners, put their life on the line handling these dangerous chemicals. So I mean, this really, I mean, the effort, this really shows that gold does have value. I mean, the Federal Reserve effortlessly print paper money, fiat currency out thin air. Yet gold, something that's rare and has value, is also takes a lot of effort just to make it, just to mine it out of the ground and refine it. And and also health and there's also health problems associated with those who work in the mining and refining business for gold, because of the dangerous chemicals and equipment. So I guess I'll stop talking now. I'll just show you this. Wow. Peace, YouTuber. Like and subscribe. Peace, YouTubers.